BJP National Vice President Shivraj Singh Chauhan slams Congress party during his few-hour stay in Imphal, says Congress used divide and rule policy retarding state's progress during its reign. Hyanglam MLA Dr. Y. Radhesham denies delay in Manipur Assembly session due to leadership crisis, says BJP MLAs strive for better governance in the state. Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly rejects Minister Thaunojam Shamkumar's plea to nullify disqualification case filed against him. Students stir against lack of adequate teachers and infrastructure at Chingtam High School of Yagangpokpi. Officials of Forest Department plant trees to console minor girl whose trees were fell down during dredging works. And Consumer Affairs Distribution Minister Karam Sham flags off 21-year-old G. Ingobi Tingtham from Thawal District for solo World Cycling Tour. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Bharatiya Janata Party National Membership in charge come National Vice President Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who arrived in Imphal today for a couple of hours to attend the BJP membership drive, didn't lose time to rebuke the Congress party. Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren and his cabinet ministers accorded a warm welcome to Shivraj Singh Chauhan upon his arrival at the Imphal International Airport. From there, he went to offer prayers at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple and also visited the Rose Garden inside the Kangla Fort, where he planted some flower saplings. The party national leader then attended the BJP membership drive program held at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society (MSFDS), organized by BJP Manipur Pradesh. Speaking on the sidelines, Shivraj Singh Chauhan blamed the previous Congress government, both at the center and the state, of slowing down developmental pace of Manipur by playing divide and rule policy between hills and valley inhabitants. He claimed that during the Congress reign, various center schemes were not implemented in the state and that the rate of corruption was extremely high. He expressed pride that the BJP-led state government under the chief ministership of N. Biren gives equal emphasis to both hills and valley regions of the state and even holds cabinet meetings in every hill districts. Shivraj Singh Chauhan also lauded the BJP-led state government for decreasing the rate of bunds, blockades and corruption in Manipur.
कांग्रेस के राज में केवल करप्शन था। यहाँ मणिपुर का कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ और सेंट्रल से भी जो पैसा आता था वो करप्शन की बलि चढ़ जाता था। लेकिन आज मुझे कहते हुए खुशी है कि शॉर्ट टर्म में ही, छोटे कार्यकाल में ही भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने केंद्र सरकार के मोदी जी के सहयोग से, आशीर्वाद से मणिपुर को तेज गति से आगे बढ़ाने का काम किया है। इसलिए मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कैबिनेट की मीटिंग्स हिली एरियाज में भी की है। कांग्रेस के जमाने में चीफ मिनिस्टर से लोग मिल नहीं सकते थे। इजीली अप्रोचेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर और उनकी पूरी टीम जो जनता से संवाद करती है, बातचीत करती है। मुझे बताते हुए खुशी है कि अब टैप वाटर देने के लिए विलेजेज में भी 3600 करोड़ की योजना केंद्र सरकार के साथ मिलके यहाँ के लिए बनाई जा रही है। करप्शन को कर्टेल किया है और मणिपुर का तेज गति से विकास हो रहा है। कांग्रेस के जमाने में बंद और ब्लॉक लगातार चलते रहते थे।
Attending the event, Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren called upon BJP members and MLAs not to break the trust people have in the BJP government. He maintained that BJP membership drive aims to enroll around 1.5 lakh people in Manipur itself.
भारत की मपानले स्टेट अदुगा पृथ्वी के अतै अखोय मणिपुर की मीसिंग ताब मफम खंबा हाइदा अदुकी मति अखोय एप्रिशिएट तब अदुना अखोय गवर्नेंस द पुलिंग संगसे प्रजा द नुसिन सबके साथ सबके विकास सबके विश्वास खुशी अखोय द लैरिबा अखोय की लास्ट 2 years and 4 months द लैरिबा अखोय द लैरिबा प्रजा की थाजबसे मसे अमुक मांगरबा अखोय अमोन लोब सोंगम लौना भनबा it will take time पाछु फंगरोयबा अदुना सिगी लैरिबो जि थाजबसे मांगनबा अखोय continuing ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯐꯣꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯄꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯄꯤꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ
Hyanglam MLA Dr. Y. Radhesham, who is part of the BJP MLA's team camping at New Delhi urging the central leaders to replace the state chief minister, has refuted the rumor over failure to convene state assembly session on time due to tussle over the leadership post. He assured that all BJP MLAs will definitely attend every state assembly session. MLA Dr. Y. Radhesham was responding to media query on the sidelines of a tree plantation drive at Langmaidong in Kakching district today. 5,000 tree saplings will be planted across Hyanglam constituency in collaboration with various local clubs as part of the drive. As for the first day, tree saplings were planted at Langmaidong Maning Awang Lekai, Langmaidong Maning Makha Lekai, Langmaidong Bazar and Tarit village. MLA Radhesham maintained that state assembly session should be conducted every 6 months as per the Indian constitution. He reiterated that all the 14 BJP MLAs camping at Delhi will surely attend the upcoming state assembly session. The BJP MLA maintained that whatever the MLAs are striving for is to bring a better governance in the state.
Assembly session ma phamba haibasi mamang na phamba assembly session dogina mathang phamdar ba assembly session ase yamdaba thatar kimunung phamgadabani ikon ko ma phanggiba assembly session adudagi parga September gi tang ani ahum phau manung da koi assembly session am kogadabani ekoi matam lairi suksoi soidan assembly session kaurgani cabinet phamna ba ekoi pau laire cabinet decision lauraga numit amal soidan lepa kanda assembly session soidan haurgani masida ekoi assembly session phamba sida ekoi Manipur da awon ba phajaba governance amba purakna bo hona dun lairiba BJP ki MLA tara mari mak susoi soidana assembly session suna yaugani.
Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly has rejected Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar's plea to nullify disqualification case filed against him. Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar prayed to the court to cancel all cases against him, citing that they are inappropriate under members of Manipur Legislative Assembly disqualification on ground of defection rules 1986. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has ordered Minister Shyamkumar to submit his written response on charges against him latest by August 17. It may be mentioned that 11 Congress MLAs filed a petition to the Speaker Tribunal Courts to renounce Minister Shyamkumar from membership of Manipur Legislative Assembly under anti-defection law. Discussions were held on objection by Minister Shyamkumar on the petition by advocates of both the petitioners and respondents in the court today. Advocates of Congress MLAs claim that Minister Shyamkumar's response intends to slow down the case and appeals to proceed the hearing. After listening to both the sides, the Speaker Tribunal Court rejected the application of Minister Shyamkumar. Hearing on the disqualification case filed against 7 BJP MLAs, including Minister Shyamkumar, will be carried out after the upcoming State Assembly session. Students and teachers of Chingtam High School, Yangang Pokpi carried out protest demonstration demanding adequate teachers in the school today. A protesting class 10 student stated that 4 permanent and 3 utilized teachers were teaching students from class 6 to 10 in the school for many years. However, one utilized maths teacher stopped coming to the school. The student asserted that only 6 teachers are now teaching all the 115 students of the school, and their syllabus is far from completion even at mid-year. She stated that the school requires at least 2 science teachers, 2 arts teachers, 1 computer teacher and 1 Hindi teacher. The students stated that due to inadequate teachers, primary teachers are teaching students of class 9 and 10 and that the school has not conducted any examination yet. She appeals to the authorities concerned to provide adequate teachers without further delay.
Nushibiduna was out Tabiro, Chihiro, there was the example totally, example to Muramudina, Angang Jesus, Changana Kadi, was also the Vanina, science what lay, home science, Metsu, Zale, Maze, Changna Lacte, Ta, Hum, Musure, Malakta, Lazu, Changnina. To video classroom mong tana to de juniors angang sing na harga science Hindi maths kum mujhe khrawale no 8 9 10 jidi maths kum ba science duga home science kum mujhe wa chahi ani mukti sur last year gan tak te jiga.
Meanwhile, headmaster of Chingtam High School, R.K. Sana Macha, asserted that as per Manipur government employee list, there should be 16 teacher posts sanctioned for the school. He stated that the school used to have 21 teachers during 2009-10 2010, while there were 16 teachers of regular and utilized posts in 2013. But many teachers stopped coming to school after a few days. Sanamacha stated that the school lacks 1 peon, 1 chowkidar and 6 teachers and adequate infrastructure. He asserted that written letter highlighting the deplorable condition of the school has been submitted to Education as Director, and the school is ready to send a reminder to Education Minister, Education as Director and the local MLA. It may be mentioned that school hired teachers to conduct special coaching for its class 10 students, and out of the 16 students who appeared the recent HSLC examination, 12 passed in second division and 1 was declared compartmental passed.
Singam High School oja tarik khak lei ba siksi tarik ki manung sida ahum amadi July sine ba July ba oja mari sina school je ran to buda adigmati khudong yam sadre ba lena saguda leite na maram bodina school gi pochai sing desk bench and computer gi pasang basung equipment sing che mang bati kota ba so sometime thoe ba school gi awat pai di furniture gi matang da desk bench leite na maram bodina khoi gi Singam High School gi khoi gi board center ta ba na maram bodina desk bench leite na maram bodina ato pa school dagi amadi oja sing wai dina yam wana haiba board ki parekha mit khoi function ong khona bada adigmati khudong sada bujam thengje school gi side gi hai tare ko atopa ajajing contact toroga coaching center ram da thamna khodana abok yangwan school na khona dana haiba sada sing je ojali ton mo idana tukimati wana karani share tok dun tong nari oja mayang loina.
Kangleipak Students Association KSA has warned of intense agitations if the authorities concerned fail to take befitted actions against Chingtam Foundation for Innovation Education Yaripog for procuring a recognition from COSEM by using fake land document. Speaking to media at KSA office in Kuyatong today, KSA Secretary General Siram Hemjit stated that KSA had already apprised the relevant authorities that the school authority used doctored documents while obtaining recognition of the school. However, necessary action has not been initiated till date. Hemjit asserted that such action clearly shows that the present government supports miscreants. He warned of intense agitations if their demand is not met in 10 days.
Lengak amadi kongchina hojik phawbada sasinaba pata sijinaduna reconnaissance robliba asibu Sogalibra amadi lengak asisu school business to bod amadi marisingbu Lampur oina keno schooling khapadi yaurabra haibase KSU gi oiba akhoi hangum thokpa wahang amani ana semjeba khoi gi regulation dunga pa ngamjadabna mong orekanda masana morally pham thadokadamni haibase Kangleipak Students apin thamjari.
Students' Union of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur carried out protest demonstration at the school gate today, demanding authority concerned to unveil the mystery behind the recent suspicious death of a girl student and to resume normal classes in the school. Speaking to media, Art and Cultural Secretary of the Students' Union, Ronald Mashnam, condemned the government for taking a long period of time in solving the mysterious case. He implored that career of thousands of students are at stake due to such recklessness of the government.
July ki tang tarni panda yamna thamoi sopo thodo amada jingai mawong da lekhidabasi akoi student union gi amadi isama ki maikai desu yamna haksina lobatan landatana akoi maikai digi nungai ta phongtok sari loina na imung asigi awaba dasu akoi na saru yazari lengak sina yamna atuba matamda langalan ji asi puthokpiduna jase sibu yam thuna puthokpiu amadi akoi gi school asida thingba kaya asisu lengak sina sumba langalan ji yamdan thuna puthokpiragadi akoi gi komthok pirakani haibigi achoba thajaba ma akoi mairi khunai digi thamjari.
Members of Wangkai Kaitel Asangbi, Nupil Marup and Naharol Sintha Kanglup and students of Wangkai High School carried out protest demonstration demanding justice for the girl student. Protesters chanted various slogans during the sit-in stage at the community hall of Naharol Sintha Langlup in Wangkai Kaitel Asangbi. Singjamay to Lilong United Clubs organization SLUCO has extended full solidarity to every initiative of the JC formed against the suspicious death of the girl student. The organization also urged the government and the education department to take up appropriate measures to save career life of remaining students of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School whose normal classes have been affected since the incident. Standard Robert Parents and Guardian Association has also appealed to the government to find a way to save the students' career life. Meanwhile, proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release has announced total ban of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School by 2020. It expressed suspicion that the school authority, in collusion with doctor who conducted post-mortem of the deceased student, and police personnel who are investigating the case may have disposed of the evidences required to solve the death mystery due to the negligence of the government. The press release also notified guardians of students of the school to hold a meeting to decide whether they want a resumption of the school only for this year or not. Maoist Communist Party Manipur has strictly warned not to demand for an education-free zone against its decision to ban the school forever by 2020. A heartbreaking video of a class 5 girl student crying over her lost trees, which she planted, went viral on social media today. The incident occurred at Hyanglam Makhaleka in Kakching district around 9:30 this morning. The student is class 10-year-old, I beg your pardon, the student is 10-year-old Valentina, daughter of Ilangbam Prem Kumar and Ilangbam Ongbi Shaya from the locality. Impact News also said that dredging works of Maramba Maril River, which flows in front of the minor girls' residence, was carried out under the initiative of Hyanglam Zilla Parishad today. The 2 trees planted by the girl, a gul mohor and a neem tree, were cut down during the dredging works carried out using an excavator. Valentina was at school during the incident. Upon returning home, she became inconsolable when she noticed that her 2 trees were gone. Reacting on the viral video, officials of the Forest Department arrived to soothe the heartbroken child. The officials also planted various tree saplings around the area. SP Kakching Yangkhom Victoria also visited the child.
Forest Department wildlife na chingibana aibu nusibiduna aigi yumda laktuna moina uja bibibagidamagta aina mokhoi thagachari masidagi hauna prithivida laiba mi khudimagna u ama yanbada uja kun thaba haurasi.
Bishnupur District Police has arrested 3 miscreants who were fishing illegally at Loktak Lake using illicit items including batteries. The miscreants are identified as 42-year-old Irom Ingoba from Tinungay Mayai Lekai, Wards number 8, Laishram Tomba from Wards number 6 and 28-year-old Laishram Gandhi from Tinungay Mayai Mamang Lekai. Speaking to media at Bishnupur Police SP's conference hall, SP Hobson Sapam stated that acting on a tip-off, a team led by additional SP Law and Order carried out search operations at the Loktak Lake. He added that the miscreants were found illegally fishing using batteries at Loktak Lake, Tinungay Mamang during the search operations. SP Hobson Sapam asserted that such activities led to decreased number of migratory birds and devastation of the ecosystem of the lake.
Hidak thadadana nga phaba punba si tobiganu LED thandana nungdangda nga phabagi pambai sinari basi athu matamda Loktak Patki amasung nongma suraga tanjaraga nga pharga chajariba mi singsigi khanbiraga masing waran pambai sisinabiganu athu matamda LED singa sing lokthokpiyo akoina mathang police department na mathangi haptadagi di hariba LED singa si loina lokthoknaba sem saba adu loijare.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on Launa Festival of Paumai Naga community. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Ancestral cultures and traditions are fading away in the whirlwind of modern time where globalization and assimilation of others' cultures are dominant. A report in this regard.
130 kilometers away from Imphal, Phuba Kuman village in Senapati district is inhabited by around 500 households of Paumai Naga community. The sacred Launa festival of Paumai Nagas is celebrated on completion of paddy transplantation. Ancestors used to celebrate the festival for 12 days with much joy after successful rice transplantation and to rejuvenate their mind and health after hard labor of paddy transplantation. Sumptuous feasts Folk songs and dance performances by both men and women mark the celebrations. Villagers cut the best tree from a nearby forest to be erected in the middle of the village after decorating its top with leaves, bamboo carved into thorns, and pork flesh. A village elder said that the tree is believed to ward off sickness and plight from the village. He said that removal of the same tree is prohibited for a year.
I quite consider Natana, I quite Poma have a say, Tainagi Ipa Ipugi, Maya Mong say, Lina Mahangadre, Hujikan Naha roll coin shoe, Ipa Ipu Koigi, Mong say, Gumi Esingumase, Richard Todadi, Yadre Hana, Hujika Hujijishu, Ahal Koina, Nahal Koida, Dambiduna, Tobiduna, Lady.
Village chief D. Maitai stated that forefathers used to celebrate Launa festival by holding various ritual ceremonies in Launikyo, which is the month of July.
Last year, the Pokiba Angang Shibo, Nopa Koebo, Lotoju, Habisidi, Kung Ahang Singna, Blessing Piba, Nopa Tokre, Habisi, Blessing Piba, Yang Yam Hapa, second day the day. Zuju Habisidi, like Kuruba Habatare, Tar for the Habisidi, Ama Nomagi, Adu Mingle, Adu Angang Nupi, Ichai Koebo, Sha, Pichaba, Kung Atopada, Chakarju, Tahanglaga, Adushu Tarae.
The Launa festival, which was once celebrated for 12 days, has been cut down to mere 6 days in this fast-paced modern time. Though some age-old traditional and cultural events are still maintained during the celebrations, modern sports including volleyball and football are now being incorporated in the festival celebrations.
Koi Hoji Kangse Ipai Ipugi system de Pajang Chakre Batare 12 days se sak hakpa yang hakpa ade nga asiguba tawbisidi you habisidi Hoji Kangse tokre Christian village way on kre orashu ai koi kungsidi tokpa yade si thadorede pomai original pomda original adege phamai original habisidi history se mangadre aduna chauna tawning bedigi government line da su upai lerede chaukhangna na ba khara matam pio haina haininge.
This is Ibeto Tokchon for Impact News reporter Ruben Saicom and video journalist Aribam Nisi Sharma, Impact News, Imphal.
Residents of Kundrakpam constituency expressed shock as water from the main right canal of Dalaithabi Barrage project at Patlo Maningching went upstream instead of downstream. Speaking to media on the sidelines of an inspection visit at the canal, spokesperson of Kundrakpam Constituency Development Committee KDCC, N. Dijen, stated that farmers of Kundrakpam constituency are disheartened as the barrage has failed to provide irrigation for their fields. He expressed dissatisfaction that the canal, which was constructed with much investment, has failed to provide irrigation to paddy fields in Kundrakpam constituency, especially at Yumnam Kunau, Tangkam, Harauro, Sambai, Chingku and Waiton. He claimed that the situation occurred due to hasty construction of the canal for inaugural, despite repeated objections by the locals. DGN urged the authorities concerned to take necessary measures to ease the plights facing farmers of the area without further delay.
Menai kenin chali basi sinam junam kuno sambai chingku adagi kunrak pam aduga waiton ta gadab sida ayamba maru mayam amadi ekhoi suk chem lebak sudon thondri lebak sungtok tok de jaga su yauri aduga semi ba turel ma kongbu turel lalaga sakadaba thong du suji sagak ta dana kaidana ising pubu yabgi lambi leitre asida sunatana ate ate mayam ama leiriba ho ba kedosi ekhoi bujiki matam sida hoji panbiri balenga athu matum de lakpidun yengbi action biraga masigi kairiba toiriba yadriba mayam se semjan biraga dolai thabi berez ki main right Kenyan the labor processing the Pangan Bio Hibasi, a good media.
15 Agro Food and Organic Plus Biotech India Expo 2019 successfully concluded at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi today. Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region scheme displayed brand products of organic Manipur like organic black aromatic rice, king chili, turmeric, ginger, pineapple and many more products in the expo. International buyers have expressed desire to buy the products of brand organic Manipur entirely. It may be mentioned that 15 Agro Food and Organic Plus Biotech India Expo 2019 kicked off at Goa's Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium on August 1. The 42nd National Cultural Festival cum camp titled Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, held for the first time in Manipur, concluded today. Center for Cultural Resources and Training, New Delhi, along with Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, organized a 7-day festival at the academy. Certificates were distributed to the students, artists and teachers who participate in the camp during the valedictory event today. Various traditional artists conducted lecture demonstration program in the camp.
The culture is very important part of our society, our education, for our national development. In fact, Manipur has got a very good cultural resources, but these cultural resources remain ignored since we have not been able to record it and to document it properly so that we can exhibit to the people. And at the same time, we have not been able, the people of this place also has not been able to get the idea of the cultural history, culture of different groups of people.
Sinam Bijoy Memorial Award distribution ceremony was held at the auditorium of Jiribam Higher Secondary School today. Son of late Sinam Bijoy S. Sundarlal, in collaboration with the school authority, organized the event. Students of the school who secured first, second and third position in our stream in Class 12 examination 2019 conducted by COSEM were felicitated with cash awards of 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees and 3,000 rupees along with certificates on the occasion. Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Martyrs Freedom Fighters of Kanglei Park will observe Patriots Day on August 13 at Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media at the office of ACOM Loop in Lamphel today, Committee Chairman Haigrujam Ibotombi Kuman urged the people to attend the annual observance held in honor of late freedom fighters of the state.
Manipur government su khoi program ki mamang da shahid minada pangthok padu makhoi mapungna Manipur government pangthok pi basi khoi athoba Anglo Manipur land da legidaba heng to khalki manga ki manunda mapungna thangan general amasung bi teken de khaktam tawi adubu khoi justice committee na de hojiki Patriots Day asida Anglo Manipur wada legidaba masak khangba amasung khangdaba lami puram adugi mafamda asugum makhoi gi mafamda haikal lekat tamjabagi adugumba
Manipur Motor Sports Club MMSC Adventures will hold Auto Expo 2019 at Sangaitel Park from August 9 to 13. Speaking to media during a press meet organized by MMSC Adventures at Sangai Hotel in Nagamapal, Lamabam Lekai today, MMSC Adventures President KB Pangabam stated that four-wheelers and motorcycles of 16 brands will be made available during the expo. He stated that the expo aims to promote tourism and adventure sports and not just sales of the vehicles. Pangabam also mentioned that various shows related to tourism and adventure sports will be held during the expo.
tourism ki mapanagi adventure pamjaba mayam lakpa matam de khono su khotong saba ma authorized company ama oina restart to body oina tourism chakhon na help tawna gi su tawjam khoi gi pandam di gari yo mudu khatagi nateba khoi sports and tourism ji khoi gi chanaba jaga se khoina trek nu semba ya ba jaga khoi gi maduda khoi sing nu leba jaga tu da bari future gi oiba plan am kha adventure gi sports gi adugo biker sing leba kha talent bam si han to ba ama oina plan am sijabane.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham flagged off 21-year-old G. Ingo Bitingtham, son of Ingocha from Kongjam Sapamayaleka in Thobal district for a world cycling tour from the Kangla Gate today. Starting from Manipur, Ingobi will pass through Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam and Singapore. Ingobi will cycle across the state for 16 days carrying the message of women empowerment and climate change. 43 days in Thailand and 19 days in Malaysia. He will interact with people he come across on Ekis policy, climate change, Koramban market, culture and traditions of the state and many other topics. Ingobi will take approximately 220 days to and fro for his journey. Minister Karam Sham lauded Chingtham Ingobi for his brave venture. He urged the public to support and encourage him. The minister also presented 50,000 rupees to Ingobi for his expenses.
Sumba yamna top pasakta amada thabak toraiba naharol singbo tungi hena phaba mathauna leiba naharol sing thol nana bohona bada Manipur gi praja singna mateng pangbisi aduga loina nama around 20 days mo koi Manipur gi dileiriba town sing gi karigi mayam ama adima salom gadori aduna shor gi maigai dagi Manipur praja sing gi blessing dagi agi sana inauna mai paktana khongjat se amohanna de halakpada ibodo pakhangba Kangla puba ibendo anina di mai pang na mangon pinaba oirasno ha
akhoi gi mama sina 2015 da makhong ti ega leigiba matam da mama se phamung da tha taren muk leiba matam sida macham oina ima gi chana thangna seva di tawba ngamjaraga mama na tha gi manli peret lakku matam da nupa am oirubana mama gi mateng pangba ngamjagi daba adugi wakhalon dagi aina hingngai matam sida nupi singi oiba malem sida singthaningai oiba kaigumba khara tawge wakhalon da maina aigi wakhalon aham ba se haujaraki.
High School Kendra Kangkhut has entered the semi-finals of the second Oinam Charlie Singh Memorial in above 50 and 60 years the League Cum Knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournament. Social worker Oinam Roman dedicated the tournament in his late father's name. 13 Kangkhut divided into 4 groups are competing in the league matches. In the second quarter-final match of the tournament, played today at Singjamei Kangkhut Kangsang and Singjamei Chingamathak, High School Kendra Kangkhut defeated Khundrakpum Kendra Kangkhut 15-14. Oinam Kendra Kangkhut will play against Sagolban Kendra Kangkhut in the third quarter-final match of the tournament tomorrow. Kanglei Bodybuilder Gym at Terasapamlerag in Patsoy has been providing rigorous training to many bodybuilders in the state to enable them to participate in various bodybuilding championships. The gym, which was established on February 6, 1999, has produced many district, state, national, Asia and international players. Gym proprietor cum chief coach S. Joy Chandra has been relentlessly providing trainings to many bodybuilders.
Yamna ngaling matamda aina hangjarpase masidigi sai kuntram ki roundabout adaida matamda maroina number 4 na akoidagi sahi khara hanba adagi akoigi longa akoigi makha mayamsida paktakna na sha mayam sadana mi se mayam siba akoi imang makta da uba aigi wakhalon sida gym ma hanga aina ngam thakta aina khana chana mi sing pullaga gym sida amamdang pusalaga sum sahi tari nipan aina free of course fasam logna sanal pani senthokti watpa aduga bodybuilding masana ji sana janingba iramdam sigi inkalagi mana sing sindida KV gymna emission khak laurga mokoi pamjriba masana aduda national and international tata semada asobu thoda.
Member of the gym, Laitonjam Rishikanta, son of El Manoj and Indira from Pathway Part 4, has bagged laurels in various championships since joining the gym. Rishikanta bagged gold medal each at Mr. Asia held at South Korea in 2017, 75+ category of Mr. World Championship held at Mongolia, South Asia, bodybuilding championship held at Nepal. He is under rigorous training at KBB Gym to participate in Mr. Asia at China, Mongolia this September and 85+ category in Mr. Worlds to be held at South Korea this November.
Among the international national medal kaya ay lobang amjagre adubu sakay makai dagi kayumba job offer ni khangde kayumba kudong chabam phangtabana ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ ꯌꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯖꯣꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕꯃꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯖꯣꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤꯅꯤ.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. BJP National Vice President Shivraj Singh Chauhan slams Congress party during his few-hour stay in Imphal, says Congress used divide and rule policy retarding state's progress during its reign. Yanglam MLA Dr. Y. Radhesham denies delay in Manipur Assembly session due to leadership crisis, says BJP MLAs strive for better governance in the state. Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly rejects Minister Thaunodam Shyamkumar's plea to nullify disqualification case filed against him. Students stir against lack of adequate teachers and infrastructure at Chingtam High School of Yangangpokpi. Officials of Forest Department plant trees to pacify minor girl whose trees were fell down during dredging works. And the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham flags off 21-year-old G. Ingobi Jingtam from Thawal district for Solo World Cycling Tour.